In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the make sure OneDrive is running error on your PC. So let's get started. First, we need to navigate to File Explorer. You can easily locate File Explorer on your taskbar. Simply click on its icon or search for it in the Start menu search box. Once File Explorer is open, you'll need to find OneDrive in the left-hand sidebar. It should be listed under your quick access shortcuts or directly under this PC. Once you've located OneDrive, right-click on it. This brings up a context menu with various options. You'll want to focus on the drop-down that appears. From this drop-down menu, select the OneDrive option. After this, a new window or menu should pop up. In this new context, you'll need to click on OneDrive again and then choose Settings from the options that appear. Within the Settings window, navigate over to the Accounts tab. Here it's crucial to ensure that your OneDrive is indeed linked to your PC. If it's not linked, you might need to enter your Microsoft account details to establish this connection. With this done, switch over to the Sync and Backup tab. In the Sync and Backup section, you should see an option labeled Manage Backup. Clicking on this option will allow you to manage exactly which files are being backed up to OneDrive from your local storage. A new screen should appear listing the key folders, such as desktop, documents and pictures, that are typically eligible for OneDrive backup. Here's where you'll be selecting the files you want to back up. You can check or uncheck the boxes next to each folder based on what you wish to include. By doing so, you ensure OneDrive has the right access to keep your files synced and updated. Once you've carefully selected the files you'd like to back up, the next crucial step is clicking Save Changes. This will apply your backup preferences and ensure everything is in check. It's important to go through these steps thoroughly, as they help verify that OneDrive is running smoothly, keeping your files safe and accessible across your devices. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to check each setting ensures a seamless experience with your cloud storage. I hope this guide was useful for you, and now your OneDrive should be up and running perfectly on your PC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.